Hello everyone, this is Therese and I'm back. So I boiled 4 balut as I was saying earlier. Ah, I will only eat one. Okay, I just want to show you. So we'll see now. I don't know how to open. Okay, so this one on this tip. Okay. I have the spoon because it has some juice. Oh my god. It's good. It is good. Very good. I am curious of the embryo. Slowly, carefully trying to open the egg. I don't know. I eat this. This is the white part of the egg. No, we cannot eat it. That's fine. I just eat the yolk. This is good. I cook it perfect. There is the hard part at the bottom, but it's hard. It's kind of hard to eat. See? It's hard. So we will see how this look like. No, no, please. I cannot eat it. So this is all about balut today. And thank you for watching.